If you're trying to choose between Goldman Sachs and Northern Trust, you're not alone. In 2025, both of these financial giants are offering some serious value. But which one is truly the better choice for you? Let's unpack this. Starting with Goldman Sachs, a name that's practically synonymous with investment banking, asset management, and high-level financial services. In recent years, Goldman has also made strides in consumer banking with its Marcus platform, offering competitive savings rates and personal loans with a sleek digital experience. Goldman Sachs is perfect if you're looking for sophisticated wealth management, institutional-level insights, and a track record of handling complex financial strategies. However, keep in mind, Goldman tends to focus on high-net-worth individuals and businesses, so if you're not in that bracket, you might feel a bit out of place. Now, let's look at Northern Trust. Known for its private banking, trust services, and asset servicing, Northern Trust shines when it comes to personalized wealth management and fiduciary expertise. It's a go-to for families, foundations, and institutions looking for long-term financial security and strategic planning. Northern Trust offers a more boutique, client-centered experience. Their global reach is solid, and they're especially strong in custody services and estate planning. However, compared to Goldman Sachs, they might feel a bit more traditional and less aggressive in their investment approach. So, which one is better? If you want a powerhouse investment bank with a modern twist and global influence, Goldman Sachs is your pick. But if you're looking for personalized wealth preservation and a relationship-driven approach, Northern Trust might just be the perfect fit in 2025. That's a wrap for this head-to-head. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that super thanks button by clicking on the heart icon to support the channel. And make sure to subscribe so you never miss an honest review. See you in the next one.